Assalamu alaikum everyone. So 9-10 days ago I gave you a technical target of 15.227 and just look how bang on you went to that technical target. Literally touched the target right here like a boss, and you've actually just made one wick and you started to push to the downside. All right, so the question that a lot of you have now is, what is going to happen? Are we going to continue any further to the upside, or is it the time we actually fall down? All right, so let's see how this one is going to be. Number one, on the RSI, it does look like there's a bearish divergence, so you're moving down on the RSI and you have the prices that have literally climbed to the upside. So there is a chance where we might see a push down to $10.5. There's a possibility for that. But before we move there, I want to analyze the daily time frame, because I kind of see ICP trying to maybe push past $15.227 as well. So we might just see one more push, actually even high to $24. Okay, now the reason why I'm thinking about $24 is the following. Number one is that this is where you have your next resistance. So if I do drop the line over here, that's where you have your resistance. It's not 24 but 22 basically. The highest is 24, so let's just say 24 to 22 is the next resistance at the moment, because you've already taken this one out, so it's trying to just climb just a little bit and continue all the way up here. Now the way it's going to go up there is of course in a waveform, and if I take in the daily wave theory, this may be a first wave up, second wave down, and the third is going to be the biggest one. So we will still, if it does have to continue, then probably you're looking for even maybe a $17 and then a retrace down to $14 and then continue for the fifth wave to $22. So this is something that may really play out. Now number two is, let's see if the fib retracement shows any technical target that was met. So if you take the fib retracement here for the next impulsive move, it actually was met, because 1.618 was 13.849. So let's see, if you had to retrace, how low are you going to go? Okay, so that's what I want to see. If I take the bottom here to the top, then all I want to say is that it's totally okay for ICP to probably come down to 11.109 and hold 11.109 and then continue even all the way to the upside. These are just some few support lines that I do see coming in for ICP based on the fib retracement. If you hold the 0.618 and then you start the next impulsive move, it can actually reach to $17, then come down like this, retest the 15, and eventually pump all the way upside there. It really makes a lot of sense now at the moment that ICP does actually go to $22. That's where I have my thoughts at the moment, but I can be wrong, totally wrong. We might actually see the bearish divergence. Keep that in mind. So I personally may not trade. If I'm thinking of trading, I don't think I'm going to kind of take a trade in the middle of nowhere. There's no support here. Actually, there's more of a resistance right there. If you look at it, there's a little bit of that resistance coming up here as well. So it's going to be a little bit risky for you to trade ICP at the moment. But then again, when it comes to holding ICP, I still am holding ICP, and I eventually want to say $80 still remains my target. I am in some Facebook groups as well, and I've been reading those Facebook groups. People have been saying that, oh, I bought ICP at $400, $450. Someone bought 10 ICP for $450, and they're holding it because they're expecting to get profit out of it. So if they bought at $450, they may be thinking $2,000, $1,000, 2, 3, 4x, 5x, $2,500. I don't know. Time will tell. Can it happen or not happen? But if you tell me that this thing can go to $400, it might. I'm really in the favor of even a $400 in a massive, huge bull run as well. So that's it for the video, and I'm going to see you in the next one. Allah Hafiz.